Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Are you looking for a crew cab with low miles? Then check out our 2019 ISUZU NRR Crew Cab. This truck is equipped with a time-tested 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine with only 67,000 miles. Back here in the rear, we have an 18-foot aluminum cargo box. Comes equipped with that loading ramp, step bumper, side door, plywood-lined walls, hardwood floor, and an LED lighting. Keep in mind, we can also provide add-ons such as lift gates, E-track, air ventilation, whatever you can think of. Now real quick, if you find this content helpful and would like to see more just like it, hit that like and subscribe button and we'll keep coming your way. Hey Jeff, how can I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is the route you're looking to go, holler at us and we'll send over our digital credit application. As I mentioned, this is the turbo diesel. And now moving on to the cab interior. It is in very nice condition and comes with all the amenities that you have come to expect. The crew cab is advertised to seat 7, but honestly, I think you'd all have to be really skinny. Keep in mind that we do have nationwide extended warranty coverage available that will go out 3 years or 200,000 miles. And we also offer coast-to-coast delivery with licensed and bonded transport companies. In case you're wondering, this truck has undergone our rigorous road-ready service and inspection program where we ensure that it is ready to go to work today. If this ISUZU is not exactly what you're looking for, take a look on our website because box trucks are all we do. Go to Truck-n-Trailer.com. If you have any further questions, we would love to talk to you. Our phone number here is 405-912-5800. As always, my name is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.